Hey guys, what's up? This is Lian and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever vlog that I'll be uploading in my YouTube channel. Okay, that's our dogs upstairs. Yeah, it's the noise here. So I just woke up and I decided to film my vlog right now. I'm sure you guys are excited what it's gonna be about. So, my vlog's gonna be about an Asian baby girl look or makeup. Yeah, guys, today I'll be transforming into an Asian baby girl. So right now, I'm in my bare face. Some of you might actually agree with me, but I don't think I look like that typical Asian girl. But that's what they say. I ain't the soy. I'm Pinay. I'm probably Filipina, y'all. So according to Google, an Asian baby girl is an Asian woman who loves to go clubbing. In other words, she displays stereotypical traits such as enjoying going to clubs, wearing excessive makeup, tattoos, and revealing clothes, and she also enjoys drinking bubble tea. Yeah, that's the look I'm going to achieve in this vlog, hopefully. I won't screw it up. Some of you guys may know that I joined pageants before, and therefore that started my liking in doing makeup. But yeah, before I had literally no idea whatsoever how to put makeup on, but now all I can do is simple, basic, everyday makeup look. So some of this is new to me, and therefore before doing this, I practiced. That was a fail because part of my eyes, the eyeliner, the false eyelashes, oh my god. A lot of work to put on. As you can see, guys, I have a tattoo on my left arm. Yeah, I kind of like it. Later on, I'll be putting more to complete my look. Stay tuned on this video if you want to see how I look as an Asian baby girl whatsoever. Yeah. Welcome back, guys. So right now I'm finally going to start the makeup tutorial, whatever, and I already put my contact lens and I forgot to film it. As you can see, I put on 2 different colors. I like it that way. So next up, I'll put a moisturizer to moisturize my face before putting on the foundation and everything else. I'll put a generous amount all over my face. By the way, this is from Skin White Aqua Moisturizer. So after waiting for a few minutes for the moisturizer to dry out, we'll proceed now with applying the foundation. So I'll be using this liquid foundation. It's a creamy foundation from Ouchier. It's a Japanese brand, so I can't really read it. Next, I'll be applying the concealer from Maybelline. I use concealer to cover up uneven spots and blemishes on my face, including my under eye dark circles and around my nose area, on my chin, and 2 strokes on my glabella. So I'm sorry guys if I had to mute my audio while recording this video because my pets keep on distracting me. They keep barking upstairs. So yeah. Next, I'm going to apply this MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Pardon me if you can see my face while applying because I didn't realize it while recording. Please just bear with me, guys. Earlier, I forgot to apply lip scrub, so this lip scrub is a Velour lip scrub from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And this product is actually vegan and it's edible. Then I'll proceed now with contouring using this light brown shade from the BTLA Contour Kit. Next, I'll be applying this Color Geometry Sweet Cheek Blush on. A while ago, I forgot to apply a bronzer on my forehead and chin, so I'll be using the warm shade from the BTLA Contour. Next, I'll use this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish to highlight my nose. Then I'll proceed with my eyebrow using this Ashley Shine Color Eyebrow Waterproof Makeup. And guys, I know that this sounds kinda stupid, but I forgot to record myself again while putting on my eyeshadow. So I'm really sorry for that. I used MAC's Mulch Velvet eyeshadow and Morph number 3 12 color eyeshadow palette. So afterwards, I'll be putting on my eyeliner, which is a very tricky thing to do, since it's also my second time with this. I actually did a lot of mistakes while putting on my eyeliner, and I have to use a makeup remover to do it all over again. I know, guys, it doesn't look perfect, but at least I tried. And before applying the mascara, I'm going to curl first my eyelashes. And after that, I'll apply Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara. And then I'll be applying the false eyelashes. And guys, this also took me a good amount of time to position it well and for it to stick properly. As you can see, guys, these false eyelashes have white stones on it, and I thought that this would really go well with my concept for today. For my lips, I'm going to use Revlon's Super Lustrous Lip Gloss and top it with MAC's Liquid Lipstick and Lip Gloss. So guys, there you go. This is the final makeup look. I'm satisfied. So I will now put tattoos. Yeah, actually that's that tattoo I mentioned a while ago. I removed it because it's already warming off. And I will be replacing it with new ones. Here it is. This is a removable temporary tattoo. So I'll be putting this on. Be back.
Much later.
ABG transformation. I look so badass in this video, and I really love it. Do you guys love it too? Let me know and leave a comment below if you have wishes for my future videos. Hopefully this won't be the first and the last. Also leave a message in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please also subscribe and follow my Instagram and Twitter accounts. Thanks a lot for watching.